Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 11 Mensuration Part 4. In this section, we have to discuss about volume. What is meant by volume? Very simply, we can say amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called its volume. That is, volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. The volume, actually the meaning is capacity. Capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds. Okay. In this chapter we have three dimensional figure. One is cube, second one is cuboid, then third one is cylinder. So what is the volume of cube? It is a cube. Then what is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. Then volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square H. Here r is the radius and H is the height of the cylinder, and pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. It is the approximate value. Okay. And also we have to find the volume of, generally we can find the volume of any solid. We have a formula, that is base area into height. Base area into height is the common formula to find the volume of any solid. So we have to discuss more problems related to three-dimensional figures, or how to find the volume of three-dimensional figures. Okay. Then first question, find the height of a cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. See, in this question, you can observe that one unit is centimeter square and the second one is centimeter cube. So here, centimeter square is the unit of area and centimeter cube is the unit of volume. Okay. Then what are the given measurements here? Volume is given 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. So volume and base area, it is connected. So we have a formula, volume of a cuboid, or we have a general formula, volume of a cuboid is equal to base area into height. So how to find the height of the cuboid here? Height of the cuboid is equal to volume of cuboid divided by base area. Then that's equal to 275 divided by 25. That's equal to 11 centimeter. So height of the cuboid is 11 centimeter. The next question. A rectangular piece of paper 11 centimeter into 4 centimeter is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. So here the question is given that 11 centimeter length and 4 centimeter breadth. This is the measurements of the rectangle. So this rectangle is folded into the shape of cylinder. So at that time you will get the height of the cylinder is the breadth of the rectangle. I repeat, the breadth of the rectangle is equal to the height of the cylinder. And also the length of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the cylinder, that is the circle. So perimeter of the base of the cylinder, that is the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Thus 2 pi r is equal to 11 centimeter. We can write 2 pi r is equal to 11 centimeter. Here we can write 2 into pi means 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 11 centimeter. Then r is equal to 11 into 7 all divided by 2 into 22. So 11 and 22 we cancel. You will get 2 and the radius r is equal to 7 by 4 centimeter. Then r is equal to 7 by 4 and h equal to 4 centimeter. Then volume of cylinder is equal to, the formula is pi r square h. So pi 22 by 7 into r 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into h 4. So after the calculation you will get 38.5 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cylinder is 38.5 centimeter cube. The next question, a cubed is of dimension 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. How many small cube with the side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So here 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter means length, breadth, height of the cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, that's equal to 97,200 centimeter cube. And also 6 centimeter side cube is given. So volume of cube is equal to a cube or side cube, that is equal to 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6, that's equal to 216 centimeter cube. Here we have to find how many cubes we can occupy in a cuboid, that is the question. So a number of cubes from the cuboid is equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. Volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube is equal to 97,200 divided by 216, that's equal to 450. That means hence the required number of cubes is equal to 450 cubes. Next question. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So what are the given measurements? Volume of cylinder, that is 1.54 meter cube, and the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Here we have two units, one is meter cube and the second one is centimeter. So we have to convert one unit to the second one, or we need to make these two units are same. And also we have to find the height of the cylinder, that is small letter h, and volume is given, and diameter or radius, diameter means half of diameter is equal to radius. Okay, so radius is given, so we need to find the height of the cylinder. So diameter 140 centimeter, we have to convert the centimeter into meter. So divided by 100, you will get 1.40 meter. So both the units will be same. That is, volume is equal to 1.54 meter cube, and radius or diameter is equal to 1.40 meter. Then we have the formula, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. That is 1.54 is equal to 22 by 7 into 1.4 divided by 2 into 1.4 divided by 2, that is the radius. Diameter is 1.4, so half of diameter is equal to radius, and into h we have to find h. Then here h can be written as 1.54 into 7 into 2 into 2 divided by 22 into 1.4 into 1.4 by cross multiplication. Okay, then after that the next step, we have two decimal place in the numerator and two decimal place in the denominator. So multiply 100 on numerator and denominator, it will be 154 into 7 into 2 into 2 divided by 22 into 14 into 14. Then by cancellation on numerator and denominator, you will get the height of the cylinder is equal to 1 meter. So the answer is 1 meter is the height of the cylinder. The next question. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So here the question is given that one tank shape is cylinder and its radius is given 1.5 meter and the length, that is height, 7 meter. So we need to find the volume of the milk in that container, and how many liters of milk that occupy or that contain. Okay, that is the question. So first of all we have to find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, volume of the cylinder is equal to what? Pi r square h, and r is the radius and h is the height. both measurements are given. Okay, substitute in the formula. So radius is equal to r equal to 1.5 meter and h equal to 7 meter. Volume of the milk tank is equal to pi r square h. Then pi 22 by 7 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 7. Okay, so after the calculation you will get 49.50 meter cube. So volume of milk is equal to 49.50. We have to convert this meter cube into liter, multiply 1000 to that answer. So 49.50 into 1000, you will get 49,500 liter. Then one more question. Water is pouring into a cuboid reservoir at the rate of 60 liter per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So given that one reservoir, its shape is cuboid, so its volume is given, that is 108 meter cube. So we have to convert this meter cube into liter. So how to convert? Multiply 1000 to the 108. You will get 1,80,000 liter. Then question is given that water is being poured at the rate of 60 liter per minute. Per minute 60 liter water poured into that cuboid. So we have to convert this minute to hour. So multiply 60. So 60 into 60, that's equal to 3600 liter per hour. That is, minute is converted into hour. So multiply 160 to that number, you will get hour rate. Okay. So we need to find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So required number of hours is equal to 1,80,000 divided by 3,600 is equal to 30 hours. That means it will take 30 hours to fill the reservoir. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.